Javi, what go on? You missed out last week or something?
Yeah, I know, right?
You alright? Everything good?
Not really, no. Ain't even gonna lie. No, it ain't.
Around
But
burning, and just sitting around and saying
yep,
everything is fine.
this is fine.
Okay,
yeah,
this is fine.
That's
Yeah.
me right now. That meme in the fire.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is
You
fine.
kind of look like the dog too.
What? What?
Why?
The dog is
Why?
white. What?
No, the dog
Why
is not
do
white.
You
it?
never
Why?
have like no yellow. You never have a yellowish color,
No,
brown.
because of the fire burning.
People. Naro just said, me look like dog.
It's because of the fire.
What could I cause
burning.
this?
Are you calling me a bitch?
You take it, yo.
Well,
Yo, the dog kind of look like Javi,
Okay.
You calling me a bitch?
right?
All right. Okay.
I know I make it seem like so. The
Bruh.
dog, like
Was it-
the dog yellow. Javi's,
Okay, I've seen
Javi's attire favors this dog,
I
right?
think I've seen it in white, so this
Yeah,
is a different
yeah.
one. Well,
Yeah,
okay.
man.
My
Yeah.
God.
You just call me a bitch.
The conversation.
Wow.
Wow.
This is the friend I should lean on. Yeah.
Right?
When I feel
I
sad.
do appreciate it when
Lean
you're trying
on
to trap me right
yeah,
now.
he's
It's not
like,
fair.
You look like a dog.
It's not fair.
Thanks, Naro.
You
Thanks.
never wanted to call you a bitch, Javi. I just call you a bitch.
Thanks for calling me a dog.
Yeah, what I be Javi dog name? Scruffs? A Scruffy.
No.
Sparky.
Sparky.
Fair enough.
Oh, you,
Fair enough.
oh, you come up with that so quick.
Yeah,
You think about that?
Yo, Javi think about that. Javi have that name there in mind for a long time. Yeah.
Sparky.
I was at actually ask her husband.
Would you love me if I was a worm?
Yeah, you love me as a dog. Like,
Yeah.
what you think would have been my dog name? She have them convo there already.
You wouldn't love me.
Jaja.
I scratch my belly.
I don't have those convos. I
God.
promise.
Jaja.
But yeah, you know, we're just there. We're just I got you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
One of them times.
Mm-hmm.
Long go through, miss.
We're got you,
You make it
yes.
true.
Yeah, true.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You missed us. A little bit.
Well, she miss you less.
I said that.
I miss Ari
she
and I miss Jervis.
you
Never
less.
miss you.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
really think out of the two we should
You're a
miss me?
meanie.
Yeah, you just called her a dog.
I never called her a dog.
You know that dog in the meme? You look like it.
Wow.
Thanks.
Yeah, the dog look funny.
Yo, the meme funny still.
Yeah.
It is hilarious.
It's my
It's
go-to
accurate.
meme.
It's accurate.
Yeah.
Sometimes everything I burn and you just have to say, you know what?
This is fine.
Well, having the most retarded smile ever.
This is
Because what
fine.
else you can do? Like you just
Yeah.
have a plastic smile for your
This is
face.
fine.
Yeah, this is fine.
You're on fire. You're literally on fire. This is fine.
Jaja.
Yeah, that's my life right now.